Hello, students. In this video, we are going to explore the exciting world of spelling words. Articles are words like a, an, and the that come before nouns, people, places, objects, or ideas to show whether we're talking about something in general or something specific. Now let's learn the types of articles. First is indefinite articles, a and an. These are used when we're referring to one item in a general sense. A is used before words that start with a consonant sound. For example, a cat is a cute pet. An is used before words that start with a vowel sound. For example, she likes an umbrella. And definite article, the. This is used to talk about something specific or already known. For example, the sun sets in the west. Let's understand vowels and consonants. Vowels are the letters A, E, I, O, and U, which have open sounds. We use an before vowel sounds. For example, an elephant is a giant animal. Consonants are all other letters. We use a before words that start with consonant sounds. For example, a man is walking in the park. Now it's your turn to answer. Give an example of definite article. Share your answers in the comments. The complete curriculum for Class 2 is available on our channel. Check out all the links provided in the description below. Please make sure to like, share, and comment for more such videos.